Hello, hi everyone. This is Engineer Nikhil Pandey. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mentor Engineer. So in this video, we are going to cover South India, in which we are going to cover Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala and Karnataka for the category wise cutoff, so that it gives you an idea regarding in which government medical college are you willing to take participate with the help of this expected NEET 2020 score. So let's dive in. Basically, we had made a state-wise, category-wise cutoff. It's a pre-recorded video, so in the side of the screen, the state-wise cutoff will be shown. If your please do wait until your state category-wise cutoff is shown on the screen. My purpose is to make this category wise cutoff for the different states, so that it makes you a rough idea in which NEET score you are lying stand in between this particular NEET score, so that you will take participate either in for the all India quota counseling or for the state quota counseling. It's a small request to all NEET aspirants who are willing to take participate in the upcoming NEET counseling, either for the all India quota or for the state quota counseling. Don't be disheartened if someone of the creators said that your unreserved category cutoff will be 600 for an example, and you are scoring right now 590. It doesn't mean that you are not eligible for participating all India quota counseling, even though it's not 100% sure that you will not get a seat through the private medical college or government medical college, depending upon your the NEET score. So you have to participate in the counseling process for both all India quota as well as for the state quota counseling. Do a rough idea. Please do a homework regarding your NEET cutoff and rank as per your college wise. Generally, the rank will not change as much shuffle as much as they can, but the rank will not shuffle, but the NEET score may be shuffle. So you have to compare a parallel series along with your NEET rank as well as your NEET score, so that it give you an exact idea where you are actually standing in this ocean. So make a rank list of your college which you are willing to seek or participate in the upcoming round of the counseling. As per your NEET rank and your NEET score, you have to make a priority list, and always make a choice filling or a priority list in such a way that it will be gone on the decreasing order of your priority. Suppose you are scoring a 600, and you have to put a number one college in such a way that it has a the closing and opening rank should be more than a 640 to 650, and so on. You have to go step by step or step in the descending order of the NEET score. So these are the some tips and tricks which you have to follow in the NEET counseling process, which will definitely help you in coming out a good outcome for your selecting a government medical colleges as well as for the private medical college. Those students who are having a less NEET score, they have to work out for the pan India like Uttar Pradesh and rest of the states who are having who are giving us seats with a minimum NEET score, and those who are willing to take participate in this, especially for the Karnataka and Kerala. Please do update the fees structure, since the fees structure will be revised this year. So be confirmed about the fees structure, accommodation charges, hostel charges are including or not, or if there is some hidden charges is including in this particular fees structure of this private medical college, so that it will not give you any panic condition arises while during the taking the admission process. So make a rough idea. You have a maximum 4 to 5 days for doing such all homework, because as soon as the counseling process will start either for the all India quota, it's along with the parallel to the state quota counseling. So wish you very all the best for the upcoming round of the counseling. Even though you have any kind of doubt regarding the document processes as counseling process, you can feel free to comment in our comment box, and we will provide you answer as soon as we can. So that's all. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel, don't forget to smash the bell icon so that you get notified, and stay touch and update with us with a mentor engineer. So that's all. Bye bye.